going through the bag check for the first time like ever because I never bring it back. But it's cold, so I had to bring my jacket. And just a few essentials. So I am kind of glad that they are doing plastic now because I couldn't bring in my glass. Hello. Thank you. Mine's the easiest, so I'm happy. Oh, well, I'm getting video, so thank you.
Of course, happy Earth Day.
Thank you. I didn't realize that this was Earth Day weekend. Shame on me. But I'm glad I came back because they're having a lot of special things. So, yay! Alright, so either side you always walk through a little bit of the jungle. And to get to wherever you're going. And it's always super crowded in this area. Alright, so now I'm walking into the park. See the tree of life? Someone got all their badges.
Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again.
And working.
Turn it out.
Piece away birthday. Let's give a big round of applause, all of our cha-cha sliders out there. You guys are doing such a great job.
I get compliments. Well, I could go in there and go ride dinosaur, which is fun, but I really care about Expedition Everest, so I'm hanging a sharp left. I forgot to take allergy sinus medicine, and I'm surrounded by wildlife. So I'm over here by Finding Nemo, which is a fabulous show, so if you've never seen it, then you must. And the Rivers of Light show is to the left, at night of course. I can see the mountain. Time for some fun. I love the It's kind of nice too because the sun's really hot. So this is really nice. Alright, so I got my hair ready for the ride because if not, I would never ever be able to comb it.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. We will see you.
Y'all run back.
because that's my absolute favorite. I'm super excited.
Row number 1.
Absolutely. Okay, now it's funny to hear everybody scream. Oh, we made him mad. I know. I brought my rain jacket just in case.
We were at Hollywood Studios the whole time.
Some monkeys are chimpanzees. Some nice strawberries from the hotel. While I watch them. Hanging around. I love the swinging.
You want a picture with the monkey, Miss Michelle?
Alright, now that's Expedition Everest. I bought the measure. Now, instead of going where I normally go over here, I'm actually going to go this way because I want to go to the safari. But it's always nice to take a different route.
He's just that.
Well, I will have time to do my videos and such. Well, the line is outside. I can't even make it into the little covered part. So, yes, I'm going to be here for a while. Okay, yeah, I made it in.
Bueno, pero que acá tocado nero. Uno más uno.
It's been a while. The garden and that's where I came from. And now we gotta go to the lobby. So we're going in a bunch of circles. We just came from over that side. Now, this way. Passing the front again, going in another line toward this way. So I don't know. I've lost track of which side we're on and where we're at. So we made it back up to the building, and we're going to be going in. All right, now we're back outside. Yay! All right, so we're on the last bridge part, right before the ride. So I should be on in about 15 minutes.
How many minutes party?
Oh, right there. All the way at the front right corner. Oh, God, they do look like they would be related to a zebra, but they are not. Their closest living relative is the giraffe. Where our truck's going to be passing is a saddle-billed stork. Saddle-billed storks get their name from a little yellow spot on their bill that looks like a saddle.
Oh, there, I see it. I saw the horn.
There is right there. On your left-hand side, way in the back corner back there, there is a black rhino. Rhinos are being poached in the wild for their horns, which contain the mineral keratin. There's some bongo on our right-hand side at the top of that ridge laying down. And the copper on your left-hand side is another black rhino. As the next part of the reserve that we're going to be entering is the Safi River, which is a watering hole that is home to many different species of animals. And right off the bat on your right-hand side is a hippopotamus. On your left-hand side, those big birds on the island, humpback pelicans. Now, they get their name from a spot of skin on their back that during mating season blushes pink. On your left-hand side, there's another hippopotamus swimming underwater. Sounds like that are called wheeze honks. So they can honk and wheeze in any order range, just kind of like the human voice. And they can communicate using that on top of water or underneath water. On your left-hand side are some Nile crocodiles. And if you see one with his mouth open, well, he is not smiling at you. He's just overheated. On your right-hand side, rounding this corner, is a baobab tree. Now, baobab trees are sometimes called upside-down trees because it looks like they're growing upside down. And remaining leafless up to 9, or leafless up to 9 months out of the year, only growing leaves the other 3. This is the next part of the reserve that we're entering is the savannah. And it's home to some of Africa's most famous animals. On your right-hand side are some Nkoni cattle. Do look really big and heavy, but they're pretty light. And they're honeycombed down the inside to help them stay as light as possible. Now, they are the most successful predators on the planet, with a hunt rate of about 96% of their hunts ending in success. On your left-hand side, way in the back there, are some sable antelopes. And they are one of the only species of antelope that, if threatened, will stand and fight instead of running away. Your right-hand side, coming up at the top of the hill. And looks like we have several different species of animals. So right close to us, the big gray ones are white-bearded wildebeests. And then I think everybody recognizes the giraffes. Now, giraffes are some of the tallest land animals in the world. They can reach heights of up to about 20 feet tall. They only need to sleep around 20 or 30 minutes per day. And on your right-hand side, around the corner, we have a couple of springboks. Springboks stand about 3 feet tall at the shoulder, and from a standing position can jump 6 feet in the air and 13 feet in front of them. African elephants eat around 300 pounds of food per day. And eating all of that food every day has gotten them into some trouble with farmers over in Africa. Because the elephants would go onto the farmer's land and eat all of their crops. I see some tusk marks in the clay on the right side. That might be an elephant's been by here recently. I can't tell if those were old or new. Oh, I think they were new. Look on our left-hand side. There's a couple more African elephants. On your left-hand side are some greater flamingos. They eat briny shrimp that contain the mineral keratin. So the more they grow, the more briny shrimp they eat, the more keratin gets into their system, and the pinker they become. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals in the world. On your left-hand side, this big group of rocks is called a copy.
Jumping into her. What's to stop them?
Oh, that's
There's a rhino.
Oh, yeah.
On your right-hand side, there is an ostrich.
two rhinos.
Now, ostrich, there have a little bit of misconception surrounding them. People think they bury their heads in the sand if they get scared. And that's not true. If the danger doesn't pass, they can get up and run away at speeds of up to about 40 miles per hour. Now, white rhinos don't get their name from their color because they're not white. They get it from the Afrikaans word wijd, meaning wide. And if you get a good look at their lips, they're really wide and flat. Well, it doesn't look like there's any large cats up at the Kopi today. That's okay. There's some warthogs. Warthogs are burrowers. They burrow in booty first, so their tusks can remain on the outside for defense.
Yeah.
So you guys coming up on either side? I was They can gallop and charge at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Well, it looks like we're approaching the end of our safari. I hope you had a great time today and saw some amazing animals. Once again, my name is Abby. You're over in Harambe about the Disney Conservation Park. I'd be happy to give you some more information. And if you choose to donate, thank you. Disney will match your donations dollar for dollar. Just have a great time here the rest of your days at Disney. Bye, everyone.
Alright, just got off the safari ride. Now it's time write it just once. So I've done what I've come for, and now it's time to go to Hollywood. So come along with me. And I am so getting me a drink. So I'm super excited. I'm going to get a Java chip frappuccino. I love this new dessert. I'm going to try it. And all the ones that they have. So let me come order. I'd like to order the Java chip frappuccino, please.
What size?
Give me a grande. I've been really good, so of course I have to delight. And some Starbucks.
Your name?
And online is PrettyJuls.
PrettyJuls.
And he's writing all those fabulous things on there. Oh, do you have the cold brew whip instead of the regular whip here?
Yeah, we can do that.
Please. So go back here and make the main drink. On this right side. This is a pretty nice Starbucks. I'm trying not to get. It's very nice. Right here.
That's what we're moving?
Yes, the cold brew whip. The cold brew is so much better. It doesn't leave that nasty taste in your mouth, and it's got caffeine in it. Thank you. Wonderful drink. So good. I'm refreshing. And a little bit of jolt so to help me make it through the day. I think this is really cute that they're doing. Passing the safari. Coming back to the center. And of course, before I leave, I have to change out my fuel. It's a simple, beautiful thing that keeps me charged up. And forgive my nails. And it's always fun to see the new merchandise. I hope you've enjoyed your tour today. Oh, and I got my Starbucks. That's very important.